Today we'll show you how to create this vintage blur effect. Open your image and convert it to a smart object. Create a duplicate of your smart object using Ctrl-J keys combination. Apply a motion blur effect. Set the angle to 0 and the distance to 1400. Add a mask to the layer. Select the mask in the Layers panel and use a rectangular marquee tool to select the area where you want to reveal the original photo. Hit Ctrl-I to reveal the image. Press Ctrl-D to deselect. Apply motion blur effect to the mask. Set the distance to about 500. Add a few dust or noise textures. Play with different blending modes and opacity of your textures. Reduce the brightness and increase the contrast of your image. As a final touch, let's apply a gradient map. Use soft black and beige colors for your gradient map. That's it. Save this video for later.